Welcome to MarkSharks. Let's observe the following two examples that I will put in front of you. This is a picture of a car when it was first invented. And this is a picture of the latest model of our cars that now run on electricity. Here is a phone when it was first invented. And this is the latest phone in the market right now. Our modern phones are the mini computers in the palm of our hands. Now, let's look at a dated picture of a classroom in a school. And here is a picture of a modern classroom. In comparison, there is not much change, and that is a major concern. The world has changed around us, and it's time for our classrooms and teaching styles to evolve. The change is here, and it is the e-learning app called MarkSharks. MarkSharks is an educative e-learning tool designed to make studying and schoolwork fun and interesting through visual aids, puzzles, and interactive games. It is like a virtual teacher, designed to relieve the workload of school teachers so that they can spend more time interacting and engaging with their students. MarkSharks allows teachers to give homework and test preparation quizzes to their students through the app. It can also grade multiple choice question tests and monitors a student's progress through various analytics regarding subject retention and class performance. This saves a lot of time that a teacher would spend in grading tests and arranging homework, giving the teacher more time to focus on each student on a more personal level. There are two main features that separates MarkSharks from the rest of the e-learning applications. Number one, open-ended interactives. This feature allows a student to practice a particular theory or subject with unlimited flexibility. In other words, they can explore the subject on their own and learn the theory itself through their own experiences on the app. Number two, offline capability. The app allows a student user to download chapters onto their device so that they can study the content at any time without the need of an internet connection. MarkSharks has the ability to be accessed on any Android device and is also easily installable in a classroom, which instantly transforms it into a smart classroom. Teachers can also use the app to teach maths and science subjects with visual aids and interactive capabilities. So what are you waiting for? Call MarkSharks to make an appointment for a presentation and pitch so we can work with you in transforming your school into a school of the future. We also provide training to your teaching staff and IT department in setting up and using MarkSharks to its fullest potential. It will be the best investment you could ever make for your students and your school. Thank you for watching and see you soon. MarkSharks, learning by doing.